Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Now let's scroll down in this right section to localize this option, screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, like 15 seconds, and at the bottom the longest time option, 30 minutes, and the option never, which means that your device will never automatically black out. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 30 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 30 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.